Hi, I'm Eddie Mazonik with Mazonik Construction, and we're back at the BRIC, Baylor's research facility, with another finish-out project, this time in the west wing. As you can see, we're leaving a lot of the existing structural elements exposed. This concrete structure was clearly integral to the entire manufacturing process in the former life of this building. Now, we are working on some major corridor expansion here. As you can see, the metal framing will ultimately get sheetrocked. We'll have epoxy floor here that'll be consistent with the finish that's in the other portions of the building. But naturally, the more meat and potatoes, if you call it that, portions of our project exist on the second and third floor, where we're going to be building out some future lab spaces. If you follow me this direction, we can head up to the stairs to take a look at that place now. Here we are in the second floor materials and engineering lab that we're finishing out. Behind me here is kind of the main entrance and lobby area. Over here is where there'll be a lot of workstations for grad students. And as we're coming up on some of the office space for the professors conducting their research here. And then across the hallway from them are the two main labs that are part of this project. There is a third at the end of the hallway. These two contain the bulk of the lab casework and equipment. All your typical services, lab services, as well as the fume hoods will all be contained in those two labs. And as we get to the end of the hallway here, this will be where the third lab space within this overall lab conglomerate will be. Now, as we head down to the corridor, well, another main corridor that we're finishing out on the second floor, we'll head this way. As we leave the secondary entrance to the lab, you're led into the secondary corridor on the second floor. We have framed and sheetrocked both sides of this new corridor. There's just shelf space on either side of these walls currently, but we hope that there'll be some future lab projects that we'll get a chance to pursue in the near future. And as you head further down this corridor, we'll take a look at some other areas that we're going to be finishing out.